In this video, I am going to show you how to install TiviMate IPTV player on Firestick. TiviMate is a popular IPTV player that allows you to stream live TV channels, movies, and shows. Let's go through the steps to install it. Step 1. Enable apps from unknown sources. Before installing third-party apps, you need to enable apps from unknown sources. Go to the Settings menu on your Firestick home screen. Select My Fire TV. Choose Developer Options. Toggle on apps from unknown sources and confirm by selecting Turn On. Step 2. Install Downloader app. From the Firestick home screen, go to the search icon. Type Downloader in the search bar and select Downloader from the results. Click Install to download and install the Downloader app. Step 3. Download TiviMate APK. Open the Downloader app. In the URL field, type the TiviMate APK download link. Ensure you're using a trusted source for the APK file. Click Go, and the APK will begin downloading. Step 4. Install TiviMate. Once the APK download finishes, the installation prompt will appear. Click Install. Wait for the installation to complete. Step 5. Open and set up TiviMate. Once installation is complete, click Open to launch TiviMate on your Firestick. You can now add your IPTV provider's playlist or M3U URL to start streaming live TV channels, movies, and more. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.